As your JAMB exam keep getting close, we must continue with giving you the materials that will prepare you very well for the JAMB exams. And one of them is this series on expected questions and JAMB Expo questions that have been giving you past questions, answers, Expo questions, expected questions on use of English. In part 27, we stopped at question 40. And I told you that in part 28, we will continue with from question 41. That is what we will do immediately. Now, the area we are starting from is spelling. In use of English, one of the things JAMB will do is that they will try to know how good you are with spelling English words. They will want to know how good you are with spelling of English words. So let's move on. Choose the option with the correct spelling from the options lettered A to D. A, interpret. I'm sure you can see. Interpret. B, interpret. Interpret. Then the correct spelling for interpret is D. I-N-T-E-R, inter. Then pret, P-R-E-T. Right? So just anyone, remember, like I often say in all the videos, any video you are watching, take it seriously. Don't watch it like football match or or Nollywood movie or Z World. No. This is something that has to do with your destiny. This is something that has to do with whether you pass or not. So treat it with every form of seriousness. If there is anything interrupting you or distracting you, let that interruption stop now. Run away from the interruption and focus. Even if you have to lock yourself in your room, even if you have to wake up in the middle of the night, even if you have to run away into the bush, anywhere, but ensure that you are somewhere that doesn't distract you as you keep your preparation going on. Choose the option with the correct spelling for the successful. Successful. We are looking at S-U-S, S-U-C-E-S-F-U-L. Then S-U-C-C-E-F-U-L. Then we are looking at S-U-S-S-E-X-F-U-L. The correct spell. Then we have S-U-X-E-S-S-F-U-L. The correct spelling for successful is C. The success. Success is S-U-C-C-E-X. Then you now put full. F-U-L. I'm hoping that you are learning, that you are not taking this for granted. The next one is accommodation. A-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T-I-O-N. The area JAMB is always coming from is those words that have some words like committee, accommodation, successful, that has words that are spelled double. Okay, accommodation, A-C-A-M-M-O-D-A-T-I-O-N. Then A-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T-I-O-N. Then A-C-O-R-M-O-D-A-T-I-O-N. Then we have A-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T-I-O-N. What do you think is the answer? The answer is actually looking at you. The answer is simply D. The spelling for accommodation. Accommodation has double C and double M. Double C and double M. Accommodation has double C, double M. Double C, double M. I pray that you don't forget. I need this to enter into your mind very well. I need this to enter into your mind very well. Okay, let's look at a different set of questions. This one has to do with stress. Stress. Choose the option with the correct emphatic stress indicated in the capital letters from the options letter A to D. If you have watched the other videos we have done, you will see that we brought out time and handled issues that pertains stress. Now, if I were you, I will get all the videos that we have on this channel from part 1. This one you are watching is part 28. We started from part 1, being serious, giving you the materials you need, giving you expo questions, past question and answer, expected question, part 1, part 2, part 3, until part 10. Then we did part 11, part 12, until part 20. Then from part 20, we are now in part 28. If I were you, I will ask for the link so that you can start from part 1, watch it many times, part 2, watch it many times with your pen and your paper. It's very, very important. If you need me to give you access to all the videos we've done on use of English, if you need them to watch and you are sure, you are promising me that when I give it to you, you will really watch it and use it to prepare yourself so that you can enter school this year, just ask me to give them to you in the comment section and I will consider sharing it with you. Choose the option with the correct emphatic stress indicated in capital letters from the options. Letter A to the A. The word is biography. Is it biography? Or is it biography? Or is it biography? The answer is biography. Successful. Where is the stress in successful? Is it in the first syllable, so? Or is it in second syllable? Or is it in the third? The answer is successful. Successful. Okay, this one is often confusing, but the more you look at it, the more you watch the videos, when you get the main video we did on stress, it will empower you to answer much more. Democracy. Choose the options with the correct emphatic stress indicated in capital letter from the options lettered A to D. I want you to know, this is very crucial, that if you watch this video from beginning to the end, you will qualify for a free gift. I am giving that gift not just to anybody. I'm giving that gift specifically for those I feel are serious with their JAMB preparation. If you are serious with your JAMB preparation and you watch this particular video from beginning to the end, you will qualify to get that gift. That gift is free JAMB past question, free JAMB past question, and free JAMB syllables. You already know how important that those two materials are. You need to study with your past question. You don't have all the time to read everything in textbook. That's why you need the past question and the JAMB syllables. You need them, just tell me so that I can share them with you. If you need past question, if you need syllables, just tell me. Watch this video from now till the end and I could give them to you. Okay, I'll show you how you can get them free. Okay, let's move on. Choose the option with the correct emphatic stress indicated democracy. Democracy, is it D? Is it in mo or cre or in C? The answer is in B. Is demo. The emphasis is on M-O. Demo, that's one you stress. Then you now say crazy. Okay, I want to believe you are following. Also, if the videos I make are beneficial to you, let me know. Are you benefiting from these videos? Should I make more videos? If you want me to make more videos, if you are benefiting from the videos I'm making, if they are really helpful to you, just let me know. I would like to know. I would like to know how the videos on this channel have been helping you, how you have been using them to prepare. Knowing that they are helping you will motivate me to make more videos. Okay, question 47. Choose the option with the correct emphatic stress indicated in capital letters from the options lettered A to D. A. Conventional. Conventional. Is it on ven or is it on con, on shore or nal? Conventional. Now the answer is ven. Okay. 48 is a different set of questions now, a different instruction. Recall that something very crucial about JAMB that I must keep emphasizing is that there are several JAMB scammers. There are several JAMB scams going on. I've seen quite some of them coming out, and they come in the way of telling you that if you don't do well in your JAMB, they can help you to improve on your score. By that, they mean that if you scored, say, 180, that you could pay 50,000 or 100K, 100,000, and they will turn your 180 into 280. Or that if you if you pay a certain amount of money, they could help you secure admission, maybe get medicine, get pharmacy, get law, or something like that. These ones are scammers. Or some another area, the scammers will tell you that they will give you the real authentic JAMB question, expo, the real one that you will encounter in your hall. That is a scam. I'm warning everybody following this channel ahead of time. Do you know why that is a scam? Because they don't even know the type of question you'll be answering. By that I mean that JAMB has several types. That there is type A, type B, and type C. So by the time you enter the exam hall, you will not know the type beforehand. For instance, you could be answering use of English type A. The person sitting next to you will be answering use of English type B. The next person will be answering use of English type C. So even though people are writing the same subject, the questions will be different. So there is no way to copy. There is no way. I'm emphasizing this for you so that if you were reading just for 30 minutes, you can triple it and read for 1 hour 30 minutes, because we don't have time. We don't have time. Complete the sentence. Complete the statement from the option letter A to D. The two friends made promises to Dash when they met last time. The two friends made promises to Dash when they met last time. A, each other. B, one another. C, themselves. D, themselves. The answer is each other. Once you have two persons, if it is about just two, you use each other. But if it's more than two, you don't use each other. But when it is just two persons, you use each other. Okay, let me explain. Each other is used in an informal situation. Each other is used in an informal situation, or when they are referring to two people. You see that thing I said? One another is used in a more formal setting and can also be used for more than two people. Since there are two friends, the right option is each other. Do you understand? Do you understand? If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel, some of you are finding it difficult to understand that book. I've given you expo questions on that novel. I've read it from chapter 1 to the end. I've done quite a lot. If you need me to give you the video, just tell me in the comment section. I've done videos on the JAMB novel. I've done videos, expo questions, expected questions, past question and answer. I've done quite a lot of them on chemistry, physics, JAMB, government, literature, and all the rest. Any one of them that you need, just indicate and I could give them to you. Complete the statement from the options letter A to D. The meeting was organized at dash distance. The meeting was organized at dash instance. A, whom instance. B, whose instance. C, whose instance. D, whom's instance. The answer has to be C. At whose. The meeting was organized at whose instance. Whose. W-H-O-S-E-C. The possessive form of the pronoun who is whose. The possessive form of the pronoun who is whose. I want to believe that you are learning and that you are following. Remember, I need you to be more serious with your preparation. Why? Because in this channel, nobody following novel tutorials is permitted to score less than 300 in JAMB. For you and every member of this channel, you must enter school this year. I want you to claim it. You must gain admission to study that particular course you want. They won't give you a different course. You will get what you want. I want you to claim it. You must enter into the desired university you want. You must enter. That's your first choice. You will get it. And you will not score 130 or 170. It will be 300 and above. I want you to claim it. See, I really believe that this year you will not repeat JAMB. You will just write once and find yourself in school. Nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop you from passing this JAMB. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Now, if you claim it, remember, let's continue being much more serious. Complete the statement from option letters A to T. Okay. Mr. Jude made it to the meeting. Dash to his poor health. Mr. Jude made it to the meeting. Dash his poor health. A. Even though his poor health. B. In spite of his poor health. C. in then space spite of his poor head, despite his poor health. The answer should be between in spite and despite. The answer is in spite. In spite, that is C. According to the question, in spite of, that is C. In spite of means regardless of or notwithstanding, even though. You can see that it's confusing. Is C. In spite of his poor health. Are you following? Do you want me to give you the free past questions? Just wait for me in the comment section and the past question could be yours. Let me show you something. This year, this novel, they started from question 51 till question what? To question 60 to ask question from the, even beyond question 60 to ask question from the JAMB novel, right? You can see that they ask quite a lot of questions, between 15 to 20 questions from the JAMB novel. That's why I need to give you that, all the videos I've done on the JAMB novel. If you need it, feel free to indicate, ask me to give it to you. If you need me to give you the videos we have done on physics, chemistry, JAMB, biology, government, literature, anyone, just indicate and they all could be yours. For the free past questions which you need and free JAMB syllabus, there are 4 things you need to do and it will be yours. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is you just do it once and for all. Join our YouTube channel. Once you join our YouTube channel, a lot of possibilities will be unfolded to you. You will be able to talk to me directly. You'll be able to ask me your questions. You'll be able to get special attention from me and my team. We will follow you up until you write your exam, pass and enter school. Number 2, when you join, just go ahead and join now. You have been dodging it. Stop dodging joining. Go ahead, join our YouTube channel immediately, right now. Take the bull by the horn. Take that decision. Number 2 is to like this video. Just boop the like button, click on like. Number 3 is for you to share this video. Go ahead, share the video, click on share. You can see the option. I'm sure you can see the option to share the video. Click on share it immediately now here on YouTube. Then come back again, click on share, copy the link of this video and share it on WhatsApp group, share it on Facebook group, share it on your WhatsApp status, Facebook status, share it on Instagram platform, share it on Telegram channel, share it everywhere. All the groups, all the WhatsApp group, Facebook groups that JAMB candidates gather, share it to them. Your friends, your classmates, all the groups, share it to them. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe, just hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. These things will qualify you. Remember, number 1, join. That one is compulsory. Then like this video, share this video on all platforms, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you do that, come to the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Come over to the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Do what? Type I have subscribed. Once you type I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send all these materials to you. There is a very, very crucial video I'm leaving for you on the screen. I want you to tap on it and watch it now.